57 plus.
Yeah. Okay,
That's
I set the live stream on YouTube.
8 a.m.
Okay. Hi guys. For today,
Everyone.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Today we discuss about the cryptocurrency about Bitcoin miner earned record 64 million in 1 day.
Well,
So
64 million is a big money.
it's a big money, but in my opinion, because they want to after mining, they will keep. That means they hold the coin for a while until the price hit the target, and then they can sell. That's the reason why the price of crypto from the 61,000 dropped down a little bit at the adjustment, because based on the analytic, the price should hit around 63 or 70,000, and then how do you think, Mr. Nicholas?
Yeah, I would say that after seeing, okay, 2 months ago I have not seen how the price of literally move in reality from just keep going up. So of course at that point anything can happen. But now that there is this slight trend of how the price already moved from, let's rewind back to from 20 over 1,000 to 30 over 1,000. So it did go up to 30. It, the moment it breached 30,000, it goes up to 30, 39, 40, and then just keep hanging there. And then after that, after it breached the 40,000 mark, it goes up to nearly 50, and then it just keep coming down, keep hanging there. Like if you see the trading graph, or rather you see the price movement graph in a exchange or whatever, so there is this, they plot a triangle. Yeah. So now we are at a point where it's already breached 50,000, and it reached to 60,000. In fact, 61,000, something like that. And then now it comes back down to about 50,000. Comes back down. Okay, it comes back down to about 54,000 or something like that. Then now it has moved up to around 58, 50, 59, 58, 57. Last night I think it hit 59,000 again. So now it is coming back to about 50,000 plus. Yeah, you can see in the chart there. So whether it can hit 70,000, it cross breach 60,000 again and hit 70,000. I think there's a high possibility. Not because the price is moving up constantly, in a sense, but it's because like the article mentioned earlier, that there are miners who just mine 64 million worth of Bitcoin, and then they decided to hold. Yeah, so hoping that the price will go up. So if the price is going to go up, and when the price is going to go up, of course, now I guess the whales are the one that's buying in, because when the price movement is getting stale or getting slow, the whales will be the one that will be thinking, okay, now everyone is so quiet, now we should buy in and then push the price up.
I can see. I think I can hear my echo from your side, Nicholas. As I see that on the digital is of the checkmate, it says despite BTC is dropping, having only 900 BTC a day, and that means when up since the having the transaction fee more than 75 to 100 BTC a day. It means this is the chart to show the revenues with the miner, between the miner and the revenue today. From 2021, the miner earned less Bitcoin than That means the price of crypto is higher. So it may take time for the miner to hold the coin longer, to set the price higher. This is the
I think miners are the ones that are relying on the whales
yeah
movements, right?
yeah because
So since now they have no options left but to wait for the price. I mean, they can sell it now
yeah
because they mine it for free in a sense, but they spend money on the card, they spend money on the electricity, they
yeah
spend the time loss. So of course they want to get a maximum out of what they mined already.
in the charts we see that the miner revenue this day is the highest since the miner joined the market.
What's the 201? What's the 2018 9 2020 and 20? So 2018 the minor fee was the highest, the minor
Yeah,
revenue was the highest.
yeah, that's right.
Mm.
So I would like to say hello to our audience on YouTube. Hello, Mr. Củ Long. Hello, Mr. Khám Phá và Mr. Đắc Hành. Now let's
So
continue.
did, did they display any numbers on how many miners were there? Was there an increase in the number of miners, or was there a decrease in the number of miners?
Of course, there's increasing in the hash rate they put into the pool. Yeah, that's increasing, but it's not shown here.
So does it actually indicates to us or suggest to us that whether 2018 has more miners than 2021 or something?
Of course, this day, if you are the individual miner, it's impossible. You can be join some the large mining pool to share the hash rate with the other.
Mm.
Example, you can buy some small mining rig and plug into the mine pool. Let's run. So you can earn just a little bit of Satoshi every day. Yeah,
Perhaps for them, it's
yeah,
like
yeah. That's right.
I've already so many mining rigs.
Yeah,
And now that I earn a little bit of money, I maybe I buy one or two more
yeah.
and help with my mining.
Yeah. Okay. So next article I saw this early morning is Bank of American slam Bitcoin research notes. Yeah, it's so funny in the research note. They says that uh, Bitcoin mining it will cause a lot of CO2, the carbon dioxide. It's like the sticky
I
cost. Yeah, it's so funny in this article.
uh, are they too free or what? They have nothing more constructive to say. Yeah, the thing is, in my opinion, right? So when I look at the title like this, not because I'm against Bank of America, but because when I look at this, I look at two different things altogether. One is a bank relying on fiat.
Yeah,
I mean they survive on fiat, and then the other one is just a decentralized crypto.
yeah,
Yeah, of course, as a bank dealing with fiat, as a bank holding a lot of cash money, you will want people to you want to retain the kind of confidence people have in you. So of course, I mean, I can understand if I'm the bank, I'll probably say, Bitcoin is you
yeah,
know
of course.
yeah, but we have to respect their view for that. Yeah, of course. When you look at Bitcoin and what banks are doing, unless the particular bank embrace blockchain and crypto,
Yeah,
otherwise they will forever be staying there and not moving forward because a lot of major companies, major corporations, they are already moving forward with blockchain and Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrency they can think of or they can create.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Uh, if you say any company can create a token, create the Bitcoin,
Yeah.
I will share to you very exciting news uh, because I hear the echo from your side. So when it's okay,
Yeah, I don't know why there's echo. Maybe
yeah,
off.
the there's the we usually check the news on the Decrypt. Decrypt is one of the reliable news, and they have just launched a token application. So we can earn the free token based on our it's based on our reading. Yeah, and then let's go to this article. Is about this. This is after this new launch up, the price of the five coins is also increased a
How
little bit. Yeah.
NFT?
No, this not NFT. It means you. I also share the information about the application. It's a reading application of the news, so we can join in
Oh,
and
the Filecoin, they have this logo that looks like some very advanced math symbol. You do some very complicated math calculation, and then this
yeah,
this
yeah,
symbol, and
yeah.
then they put a calculation there and draw to the Series A 23 million. So also this they raised 23 million in fiat or what? They raised 23 million in fiat. Wow, I think this is it's a funding round according to statement.
Raise the money based on the NFT token. It's a NFT
Ah,
startup.
wow. You scroll up to the title. So this one, all of you out there, you should see this. NFT startup OpenSea raises 23 million in Series A funding, and the funding round is led by Andreessen Horowitz. So this company, okay, they sound like a name of person because it's a name of the two person who founded the VC company. Yeah,
Yeah,
super fun. Yeah, so they are pretty popular. I think they are very on the ball when it comes to blockchain and crypto.
yeah, that's
For the last few years already. So and they have been quite forefront with a lot of funding a lot of startups as well.
yeah.
So if you see them, since we are seeing them, um, does OpenSea have their own coin or token right now?
No, the
Yeah,
OpenSea not
I'm sure
have.
they.
It's the OpenSea
Yeah,
website.
just the marketplace, right?
Yeah, it's a market, it's the largest marketplace nowadays.
Yeah.
And you also can launch your own NFT token sell here.
Sell your artwork there.
Yeah, sell your artwork
Take a picture
here.
of yourself and sell yourself there.
You connect to your MetaMask, and then you can sell directly. Yeah, submit the NFT token from here is let me try. Let me say submit. Yeah, submit and token. I think we need to log in for one. I don't know. Okay. It's based everything based on the MetaMask
Mm.
Ethereum blockchains. Yeah, it's one of the largest one. We also can find the Xeonbit NFT here. I think we have this last time. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the price this one also the MacBook card, some of the Xeonbit token here. Okay. That's about the NFT token. And now one more news about the DM. This one of the news on about the Facebook. We want to share to all our.
Facebook, the DC project co-founder departs, huh?
Yeah, this one is so sad about this because
What?
we
This is the previously called the Libra, right?
Libra, yeah.
I see the logo is the same. Now they call it DM.
Yeah.
Ah,
Original is Facebook coin project announced with the Fan 2019.
mm.
And
Maybe they realize that calling it by the by the horoscope star is not a
yeah,
good thing.
yeah, that's right. And then when the feed start, yeah, that's all information about the Facebook because
Mm.
Facebook have a largest social not largest, one of the largest social
Just one of the
yeah,
largest.
one of the
Mm.
largest
Yeah.
social
So,
media this day. Of course, if they launch the coin, if they launch the crypto, they must get authorized from uh, some of the biggest country. Uh,
yeah.
from the sharing yesterday, I also hear the European Prime Minister. He said, "Don't let Mark Zuckerberg be the central bank." Yeah, that's one of the information.
I think. Hello, can you hear me? I can't hear you.
You can hear me?
Oh, suddenly there's a lot of paper sound. Sounds like paper crisping.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
So anyway, yeah, this Facebook digital currency thing. You know, let's hope something good come out there because uh, they basically started off as social media page, and then now they are moving into payments, and then now they're moving into crypto and things like that. Which I think um, with that within my opinion 500 million users although the official number is 400 2 billion which the public knows, but in my opinion it's just 500 million human users. Yeah, so 500 million users, yeah, you can do a lot with 500 million, but this 500 million is spread out all over the world. So the the adoption for this DM uh, will face quite a big challenge in a way. Yeah,
Yeah,
unless they say they are going to make Facebook Marketplace some integrated marketplace, la 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 la. Yeah,
yeah,
then maybe perhaps this DM can pick up faster than, or rather according to how they project. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Otherwise, if you look at on the other side of the fence, you look at how China has been pushing out their payment system with blockchain and crypto is much faster because uh, the uh, the net is wider, the net is deeper and wider. So because why in Asia, Southeast Asia, we have what so I don't know there's 40%, was it 40 or 60% of the world population is in Asia. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
So that is quite a big number to even for any payment system to begin with. Yeah, yeah. So imagine today you start up a payment system, start up a crypto payment, and then there you are. You have so many customers waiting for you.
yeah. That's right. Uh, we need to try more and do more research and
yeah, definitely. Back to you, bro. I think today the connection is a little bit challenging here. Now I can't hear anything from your side. Um, can you check, bro, that is whether they can hear you on the live stream on the various platform, because I can't hear you now. Hello. Hmm?
Hello, hello, Nicola.
Hello. Where's everybody?
Ôi, của thầy bị rớt rồi thầy.
I think Richard,
Okay.
he has some internet connection.
Okay. Hello. Hola.
I can't hear him.
Nghe lại rồi. Lên,
Hello La.
em nghe rồi.
Okay.
Thầy chia sẻ lại đi.
Just now I go out for a while to see the connection that you told me.
Yeah.
Now I join, and now let's start about
5 charged with 27 million fraud cases of Bitcoin.
Yeah. This article, this news is about multi-million-dollar Bitcoin fraud report throughout a hotel room in England. Fine, yeah. Then it's just a guess. It's a new to let the people think bad about cryptocurrency, think bad about Bitcoin. Yeah, it's look like the FUD news.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we can move on with the other news. I see a lot of news about here's. I think you also will like this news because it's about digital dollar have to coexist with cash.
Yeah, that's definite.
Yeah, Jerome
It has
Powell, because he said that central bank digital currency, this CBDC, won't remove the need for the physical cash. I will comment in central bank about this. Yeah, because after U.S. Government do the stimulus into the crypto for do the stimulus for people, and after people receive the cash, the stimulation, they may spend on some of the investment they can do, like stock, like property, and also in like crypto. Yeah, this yes, yeah, that's why the need of the cash, the need of the digital dollar is possible. This means in the future, people they can use the cash, the physical cash, but will use less than now. They will use in the digital form. Yeah. After use in the digital form, they can switch to cryptocurrency in any times.
Yeah.
It's look like in Singapore. I know that the Singaporean use only 5%, no 0.5% of cash. Mostly they use banking, iBanking or T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m now. Mr. Nicholas, how about you? From the side, so can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
So what's your opinion? What's your opinion about this?
What is this video thing?
Which one?
Did you just share a screen or something?
I'm sharing the screen. Oh, did you see the share screen from my side?
So this one is just a loop of a scenery, right?
Ah,
Huh?
okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So for some reason, Kagwen, his picture appear. And then I was like, "Ooh, did you just share this screen or something?"
No. Okay. So you get it?
Caught us by surprise.
Yeah. Because someone sharing the screen on this. Okay, let's continue. Yes, we hear Canadian. This news about let me understand. Okay.
In a bid to eliminate the residence fee,
Yeah.
okay, I mean that is a good thing and a bad thing also.
Yeah.
So I don't know how condominiums over in Canada works. Yeah. But in Singapore, the residence maintenance fee and whatever fee they usually pay like once. Okay, most of them would usually pay once every 3 or 4 months, something like that. They
Yeah,
don't
it's
really pay.
also similar like that. In the article, they says the resident they should deposit 0.4 Bitcoin into the pool or the fund, and they keep it. Then after 3 4 months, they will pay the resident fee in Bitcoin. It looks like one of the one type of the investment, but they keep in the fund in the Bitcoin firm. If the price of Bitcoin go up, they have more. They they don't worry about the fee, because if the price of Bitcoin go up, they can pay the fee. They they pay a little bit amount of the Bitcoin.
Yeah. So essentially, this Canadian condo is becoming like investment
Yeah, that's right.
investment management.
Yeah, that's right.
They are managing the condo, yet they're receiving the Bitcoin in payment,
Yeah,
and then they invest 5% of the reserve into the Bitcoin,
yeah,
and 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 then they try to make money of it. And so who benefits from that pool of money? Is it the management? Because usually, I
yeah,
mean, I'm not sure about over there, but in Singapore, the management are basically consists of the residents themselves.
yeah,
The few residents, like if the
yeah, that's right.
condominium have 500 units, then maybe I don't know, a handful of these owners from various
Yeah,
units will
that's
come
right.
together. They have meeting every now and then these are the guys who are making the decision,
Yeah,
and
that's right.
these are the guys that are managing the money as well. So are they going to make use of these opportunities to make money and then pocket some money, or are they trying to, because there's just like this is just free talk, just like just like in the public there are people using Bitcoin as financial fraud.
Yeah,
so
that's
so this condo management might become the micro market.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
oh yeah, micro fraud market. They are using this small pool of money and then they invest and then they just pocketing something. Yeah, so it could happen that way. I'm not saying that investing, collecting Bitcoin and investing is a bad thing, but it's just that 5 or 10 people or 20 people or
Yeah,
among the 500 or 1,000 residents units that are doing that. Yeah, so it's almost like it's almost like today everyone is complaining that the politicians are swallowing money. Yeah, so of course there need to be some accountability there. I believe, you know. Yeah, so if the accountability part is done right, I think, yeah, more condos should go into all this kind of thing, you know, the receiving in crypto and then invest. Of course, there's always a risk of the price of crypto going down. Of course, if it is going up, everyone is happy. If it goes down, then everyone is pointing finger. You know, it's like, because you said this, now we are losing money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. But in my opinion, that's one of the revolution, and they want to get rid of the fiat, and they want to keep the resident fee, the total fee, as one of a little bit of the investment money, small fee. Yeah, of course they will be the small group, and they can earn for based on the rising price of the Bitcoin. Yeah, I also support this, and in the future we have um, more and more similar similarity things like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next one. Let me go. Let me go over this. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now we go to the Coin.e.l.e.g.r.a.m. Coin.e.l.e.g.r.a.m. We have some news also similar thing.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Bitcoin better than gold. Some mainstream finance redefines Bitcoin can send register at the bottom page. This is Apple Live.
Yeah, just now that this Bitcoin better than gold. Wow, I think these guys, they need some creativity, you know. 5 years ago, people are using the same title. Now they are using the same title again. Yeah.
Yeah. Also the same, the buying one BC line only 60 cars.
uh,
Yeah.
One BTC is like owning 60 cars.
Yeah.
I mean, if there is an old car, yeah, maybe, but
Yeah.
in Singapore, one BTC only owns you half a car, and that is the Toyota, not a Mercedes.
Yeah. That
Wait,
is.
yeah, one
No,
BTC.
it's
No, one BTC is 50 over thousand US, so it's 70. Oh yeah, you can own one Toyota now.
no, it doesn't mean you own the 60 cars. Mean that the carbon emission of 60 cars and the
Carbon
carbon
emission,
emission of
that
BTC.
depends. Petrol car maybe, yeah, but EVs is zero, you know.
Yeah, here's article share the information of the 60 IC petrol cars. Yeah, that's right. Because in the report shared to us that single vehicle purchase the price of 50,000 had a carbon footprint of
Yeah,
27 tons.
I have a question here. How do they actually estimate and put into numbers one single BTC purchase at the price of 50,000 has a carbon footprint of 270 tons? I don't know how they come up with this number.
Yeah, this chapter from is may come from the TDS.
Yeah,
So I think this is one of the article try to help you the
maybe this group of people that thinks this way, they are just maybe uh, uh, conservationists or whatever. They are so into all this carbon thing. It's just like today, if you tell a vegan about
yeah
meat, and then they say, oh no, one BTC has cost so many lives of animals.
yeah
You know, yeah, something like that.
Yeah, this information about the Bitcoin price, this not news new. 14.
Yeah, I think the title is pretty correct though.
Yeah,
The Bitcoin 60,000 thing. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so let's read because it's from the 14 March.
March
It's,
14. That's 5-6 days ago. It's already been brewing for some time.
yeah,
So it has gone up, come down, and gone up again, and then come down again. So now it's looking at when it will breach 60 and stay there.
the question why is drop after 60K breach and information shared to us about Bitcoin future funding is from the future market. Future market, I
I
think.
think the for that reason why it dropped for anything. Let's not talk about stock market. Let's not talk about fiat stocks or whatever. Let's talk about just crypto. Crypto, Bitcoin particular. For anything and any event that cause Bitcoin price to fall or rise, it is always not. It is often not a fixed reason, not a fixed cause.
Yeah,
Today it may be the whale. Tomorrow it may be something else.
yeah,
And the next day it may be because Elon Musk announced something.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And yesterday we saw this one. This
Ah,
also said,
it's Lina.
yeah,
The other day we have Alice. Now we have Lina. Who's next?
yeah,
Richard.
Wonderland.
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw this, and the price was so amazing of this. Also have some this one because of the
Batman is there.
Batman because what grayscale because of grayscale still announce they announce some of the they will adopt some of the crypto is including the Batman that yeah his price. Well, if the price so high like this, I think
I didn't dare to
I
enter.
yeah
I look
you
at the price. I look at the chart. Not even mentioning the second bar. I look at the
yeah
first bar. I'm thinking, well, I don't think I can just enter this market because I'm so unsure about
yeah
what is going on behind this Batman
yeah
thing.
that's
Yeah.
also share coin I know it's for long time of the share coin
Yeah, coin.
yeah
What's up, Sia? What is that?
yeah it's the price. Okay, I think this is some of the things shared to share information about the cryptocurrency. So, so we can have a look on the market of the crypto, some of the news, the price analysis. Oh, the why Xeonbit token and Lina are showing why the reason why just now we give to our audience the reason the hype is CBC 1 and 3 replay cash US facility. This one majority zero.
I saw one title that says CBDC US.
Yeah, China will also share information about
Ah,
this.
so why now? Why now? US is only talking about it now.
Yeah, but it's never too late. If they don't jump into the crypto
So
boats, they
definitely
will they
no country or for a country with so much printed cash flowing everywhere, they will never want to replace it totally with crypto. Definitely, because the
yeah
moment if they replace it with crypto, then that's it. Their cash cow, that money tree will be shaken.
yeah
Because the reason why US is still surviving with its fiat now and still printing is because the world has not fully transited into crypto on a majority scale.
Yeah.
So when you see, when everyone begin to, you see China is leading the way now. Yeah. So when everyone start to use CBDC, when everyone start to use this, that, then there's no way the US should just tell the whole world, no, I want you to continue to use my greenbacks, Yeah. So and that they'll be losing out on a lot of opportunities, I would say. Yeah. So it's a little bit just like how would say, after the gold standard was, after the US dollar was away from the gold standard officially, does people still invest in gold? Yeah, they still do. Probably at that point there are still some transaction using gold as well.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
But
now that they keep printing, of course this US dollar is everywhere. It's like everywhere. Yeah. So since the everywhere and somewhere are slowly taking up crypto, they cannot not take up crypto quickly. They cannot take up CBDC so slowly. I think they, if that's the case, then good luck to US dollar. Yeah. Because I believe there are some economists, there are some experts who have been looking at US dollar and expecting the US dollar to hit a hyperinflation level before it deflates like a balloon and bursts. Yeah. So I would look at it as the cost of this inflation will be slightly different or largely different from 1930s or 1940s, or whichever time frame that there was a hyperinflation in place. For example, that happened. For example, you look at what's the country? Germany. They had a hyperinflation in 1930s, so they have to replace their currency with a totally new currency, just minus off a few zeros from behind. Yeah, same thing with Venezuela in 2016. They have hit a hyperinflation. Of course, the reason for hyperinflation is different from Germany, perhaps. Yeah. So for US, if they were to hit hyperinflation like what some of the experts are expecting, then I think it's probably majority of the issue have to deal with this transition of use of crypto and from fiat. Yeah, because if you look at it, there are US dollar everywhere.
that's right.
There are USD bank account everywhere. So if there's a hyperinflation, it has to be because, personally, this is how I feel. I feel that personally, this is probably the main cause, not the full entire cause, but one of the leading cause of how US dollar might experience higher hyperinflation. Yeah, because people are emotional. They get either fearful or very excited all at the same time. Just like yesterday, how you see the launch of this new crypto on Binance, they started trading, so the price going up. It's like, well, there's a mix of two kinds of feeling if you are doing live trading. Yes. I guess if you look at it from this kind of approach, you probably will be able to understand more. Yeah. So like what this picture is saying, yeah, they are building crypto, using the people to build the crypto coin statue.
Yeah, but the share about the CBC and fiat and about the US, and then we think when so many country try together and they can do more in the crypto, and it will may increase more the value of the crypto. Yeah, it should, and with Bitcoin and some of the other cryptocurrency, they may think it's in the future. It may look like the digital version of the gold or something, and any country can create their own CBDC or something, but it should based on the goal or something like nowadays. If you want to issue any fiat country, you need to be buy back any amount of gold in your bank, not in the other central bank. Yeah, to uh, to keep the price of your fiat not to be inflated. Yeah, that's the reason.
So when you look at right in the past 2-3 years ago, when a lot of these central banks, they were talking about the possibilities of going into digital, right, using CBDC and all. So at that point of time, it's very difficult for a lot of people to understand why CBDC, why this, why that, until COVID happens. COVID is a period where not just a lot of people die, but it is. I mean, I feel sad for the family. I hope everyone gets well, move on well. But for this COVID to help us realize that, because why, after phase 2 in Singapore, we start. You go to cafes, you go to some of the restaurants, they say, oh, we are only accepting cashless payments. We don't want to touch that dollar note, So that begins to spur the possibility of using a country potentially moving into fully cashless system. That one day this cash will be phased out. So of course it doesn't phase out all in single day. It takes a period of transition. So this, we have to be thankful and not thankful about COVID at the same time. Not thankful because a lot of people die, but thankful that it is helping people see that actually payments, cashless payment, wherever you are, whether you are in a restaurant or whether you are in a cafe, whether you are just grabbing a snack from a stall, cashless payment is actually a very good thing. Although it makes you spend more unknowingly, but it is a good thing.
Yeah, you all may know the news about some this people say this will look like the Asian micro strategy. Is one of the largest Chinese technology firm. They invest, they buy crypto. This means they announce on the public they 90 million in the crypto. They have bought Ethereum and Bitcoin. 22 million in Ethereum and 17 million in Bitcoin this month. Yeah, this after the announcement is so to the people know that a lot, so many institutional investor will jump into this area, this market, because the company, when they want to show their asset, they will show uh, uh, some of the company nowadays they can buy the gold, and in the technology company they can buy the Bitcoin and Ethereum or the other cryptocurrency to be backed for their asset and to be sold to their investor, to show the user, the buyer of their technology that, oh, our company have example 500 or 1000 BTC or ETX, so the investor, the user can be more build more trust for the user and investor. this is one of the smartphone company, Pay2, and they invest in 90 million. Some of the article the news shared to us say that this company look like the Asian micro strategy, and they will sing mass factory. We saw after macro strategy, we saw Square company and T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m company, Tesla company, and after Tesla company, we saw a lot of moving activity in the Bitcoin price, and now also have this company also want to show to the crypto world, show to the crypto and say, oh, we also buy some crypto, and we want the people do advertisement for us. Yeah, it look like this.
It's almost like in the past, Asian companies start to tell the world, oh, we deal with US dollars as well. We deal with US dollar accounts. We make dealings in US dollar. So now before they start saying that they deal with crypto, they say, oh, I keep crypto now. So you
that's
should
right.
know that we are moving forward with time. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's just be more. It's been more repetition for them. And in the order to this is now we go to the last part of our live stream today. Let me share to you about the big price and what is my analytic, how the price will move. Here's a rise move in the 1 days. And if as this time is go down a little bit here, I will share to you the file on trading view. Now the price is 56,000. Let me check if our audience can see my chart because it's a little bit small. Okay, that's not. It looks nice. And then after that, I will see. Some of you are asking me, oh, what do we can expect? We can see, yeah, of course. We
dropped $1,000 from since the 1 hour ago.
Yeah, it's like this. Of course, it will not go down below 55,800.
I don't think it will go down to below 55,000.
Yeah.
As much as I hope it will, but I don't think it will.
Yeah. But because some of the, let's say, the support level is the support level, and people can buy at this level as the lowest price this day. And then this one is a resistance level. People can sell at this price. If they keep holding for a long while, it can hit this level, 71,000. Yeah, keep the price will move around this area. Yeah, I think this, and I tried the Bollinger Band.
Even if the price after breaching 60, it floats between 64, 65, 66, I think that is already a very good thing because it becomes a very constant movement in terms of the price chart.
Yeah. When I see this chart look healthy, this can go healthy like this. Up a little bit, go down a little bit. Yeah, just up and down. Not so, it's not like skyrocket like this. This is really a skyrocket. And now this, like this, we see the volume, the sell volume a little bit low here. And yesterday, right? Yesterday, the sell, the buy volume, the sell, this moment when the miner, they sell, they sold out all of their mined Bitcoin. This moment, that's why the price going down. Let's see. Let's wait for next few days. How's the price of crypto? The Bitcoin can go more than 60,000, and then now it's time for us to say goodbye to our audience. Now it's time for us to say, and I hope you had some news and guess a little more information from us. And hope you have a nice day, Mr. Nicholas.
Yeah, have a nice day, everyone. So thank you all for joining us once again. So we look forward to see you all again, and then have more updates, and always trade safely, right? So if you are not sure about something, read more about it. And if you are the type who need to look at the graph, you look at you study the graph, and then you do your own assumption from there.
Yeah.
Right.
You also can join our live stream and discuss. If you have any question, please comment and let us know. You also can supply our live stream, our channel, our social media, and we are free and we're open to receive some of your comments for some of asking.
Yeah.
We also receive some question on the Telegram group. Yeah, if you have any question, just let me know, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.